Okay, I got something amazing today. Very exciting. I have an unboxing. That's what they call it, I guess, an unboxing. Okay, you ready? Do you know what it is? Here we go. It's a camera. Mirrorless Canon EOS R6. I was gonna buy the R5, but it was $1,500 more with twice the megapixels. I don't think I'll ever use those megapixels in 8K video. I'm never gonna use 8K video. 4K is more than enough. So let's open it up. Got a huge book. Oh my God. Brutal. Warranty card. Charger, standard. This is it. Oh my God, it feels so light and small. Oh my God, this thing is so beautiful. Can you see this? Look at that. It feels nice, it's small. It's similar to my other camera. I have a Canon 70D, which is like a professional camera, but it's on the low end. This is like a killer camera. It's a little LCD. You can do selfies with it. You can flip this around. You shoot up high, down low. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. So it's mirrorless, so the camera's a little smaller. Let's see this. Neck strap. And it comes with one battery, which I'm not going to open. Honestly, this could be one of the best cameras that has come on the market in a long time. I know the R5 is amazing, but this R6, unless I'm blowing up something to a poster size, I mean, I don't need that many megapixels. But all the controls look nice and it's so well built. So I bought some lenses. You need the R lenses to put on this camera. If you have the EF lenses, I have a couple of EF lenses, you have to get a EF to R adapter for this, which I've also did. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna work on it. And then I'll do another video and I'll show you some of the photographs this thing's taken, but this is very, very exciting. The more you know.